Precision craftsmanship is not a term often used when describing an affordable off-road helmet, but with the CS-MX2's CAD-driven structural precision and attention to detail, the term feels right at home. Featuring an injection-molded polycarbonate composite construction, this lightweight shell boasts a sculpture that results in superior medial balance and increases the shell's structural integrity in all key stress areas. Additionally, the fusion between the CS-MX2's visor and shell sculpture amplifies the ACS ventilation's efficiency, ramming fresh air into the massive forward intake, flowing heat and humidity up, through, and out the rear exhaust vents that are seamlessly integrated into the rear spoiler. Superior fit is the result of a data-driven CAD-modeled EPS impact liner, combined with a Plush moisture-wicking Nylex Interior, featuring a hassle-free installation and removal system to simplify post-ride cleanings. Superior goggle fit and maximum visibility are the result of an oversized, precision-formed eye port gasket with integrated roost guard and goggle guide. And the final detail, the high-flow chin bar is lined with a molded EPS padding that adds both internal impact protection and chin bar rigidity. Precision craftsmanship and top-shelf features. Consider the affordable helmet category redefined.